Okay.
What if I shoot it and it's not hot enough yet?
Then wait for it to get hot. This is Mitchell with my brand new fucking pellet gun. That's Toby. And this is Pussy Mitch. Hang on, let me...
I'm the fucking...
Okay. Just don't shoot me.
No guarantees on ricochet, BTW. So you think it's hot enough? Is there still steam coming out?
I can still see it's hot. Oh, fuck. Go. Oh, look at all that shit still on fire.
That's pretty cool. Damn. Boys.
Fuck.
Still rolling?
Whoa, yeah.
Where's the...
See me. Tin's